We've made fried dumplings. Now let's get into these delicious boiled dumplings, which are perfect in some soup. So we start by prepping our dry ingredients. In a bowl, I add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I mix it all together. Then I create a well in the middle of my dry ingredients, and I start to add about 3/4 of a cup of water bit by bit and mix it all around as I go along until you eventually get to the doughy texture. You want to knead your dough, and then I'm going to cover it up and let it sit in the fridge for about 10 minutes. After that, you want to remove it, tear it up into 4 small balls that you're going to mix around in your hand, and then you want to flatten it into the shape that you see here. Now this shape is a disc shape, but you can also frequently find very popular spinner shapes as well in soups. Once you've got your dumplings into the shape you want to add them to a pot of boiling water and let them boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. You will know when your dumplings are done because they will naturally float to the top. Now, of course, you can eat it alone, but in my opinion, boiled dumplings go best in some soup. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.